Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add specific ringtone to our existing contact in our phone book in Samsung Galaxy S22. So how to change custom ringtone to a new one for a specific contact. We need to go to contacts. Of course, this contact has to be saved on a phone, not on the SIM card. So Mr. Morlock is right here. And we have edit function. We need to tap it to view more, and here we have all the things that we can change. For example, ringtone. To change ringtone, we have to allow this option, and now we have default ringtone here, but let's say we want this, and now Comet is ringtone for our Morlock. Save. As you can see, the ringtone has been changed. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.